Hi, I'm Adrian Bryant. I'm a product manager here at ProductPlan, and I want to talk to you about how we're no longer just a road mapping tool, but a product management platform. We give you the space to organize your ideas, turn those into opportunities, create your roadmap vision and strategy from that, and bring that to the market with launch management. So what exactly is launch management? Launching a product is more than just a code release. Some of you may think of it as your go-to-market process. It requires planning customer touchpoints, building support content and materials, training customer-facing teams, and finalizing legal and compliance requirements. We heard some very similar stories when talking to product teams around the challenges they face with product launches. One of those challenges is that there's no single place to check what's in the launch and if it's on track. A lot of times leaders want to know, is there a launch plan for this feature? Is it on track and what's included? When this information isn't easy to find, it leads us to the second challenge. Often, the same people coordinating a launch are asked to manually create weekly or bi-weekly reports to answer these questions. This is time intensive and it takes away from other key work that they need to get done. Lastly, there's a lot of inconsistency with launch management. It's often not clear what needs to get done as a part of the launch, and sometimes things get overlooked. Product and feature launches often feel like an overwhelming and impossible nightmare. There are launch activities to track, expectations to manage, and stakeholders to keep informed and accountable. It's time that you put out the product management dumpster fire. Launch management will help you own success of your product from your roadmap strategy through your launch. You can create launches and have them live all in one place. View key information on a dashboard like launch title, date, status, and a task list. Stop wasting your time chasing down deliverables. Assign action items to individuals and make it easy to identify what plans are on track and which are at risk at your fingertips. You don't have to feel overwhelmed by creating weekly reports. You can now give your stakeholders the visibility to see this critical information within seconds. Without doing additional work, you can communicate what's being worked on and if it's on track across multiple projects. Recently, we've been working on deepening the connection between your roadmap and launch management. This gives stakeholders the key information that they need from the roadmap view, the portfolio view, and the table view. It also prevents you from having to create reports and give them status updates on this information. Additionally, on the launch management side, cross-functional team members will be able to easily see target dates for bars and containers that are included in the launch. This allows you to quickly adjust your launch plans as needed without having to track down status updates on those bars and containers from your product managers or engineering team. A product expert is always available to chat. Get in contact with us today.